So we're on the third floor of the courthouse now to give you an idea of what the floors that have courtrooms on them might look like. So as you can see, this, at the time we make this video, this courthouse is less than a year old and it is rather impressive. I mean, you've got these beautiful floors, you've got all this seating, you've got these big windows, views of the mountains. So it's pretty impressive. Now, for those of you watching this video though, because you want to know what to expect in court, you're not here to admire the architecture or the view. So let me give you a little bit of a rundown as to what to expect. This floor has two courtrooms on it. As you can see, 3B, 3A, easily marked. And if you're not quite sure where you are and you're wanting to find out if you're in the right spot, in front of each courtroom door, this is an example of the courtroom itself. We're not allowed to go in the courtrooms, but behind those doors, you've got the courtroom, and then right here is where they'll normally have a piece of paper, if there's something going on today, where they will show you all the proceedings that are held that day, as well as the dates and the times, and so you can find your name on there to see if you're in the right place. If you don't find your name here and you think you might still be in the right place but just on the wrong floor, you can always go down to the lobby and speak with the clerks down there who have a list of all the proceedings scheduled before every judge and every commissioner for the day. Even though we're on the third floor, this is an example of what you can expect on each floor of this courthouse that has courtrooms in it. So let me just show you here. You can see that there are these conference rooms. Now, don't let the name fool you outside here. You do not have to have an attorney to use this room. You don't have to be a client, although there are plenty of times when typically an attorney and client will go in here maybe to prepare for the hearing, maybe to just trade a few notes, or to talk about things. Oftentimes the parties may not actually end up going to court because they will meet in one of these conference rooms before their hearing and work out the details of a settlement where they've got it all worked out. So you want to just get an example of what it's like? Let me show you. As you can see, the doors have latches so you can have privacy. You can't lock them from the inside, but you can close them behind you when you go in. And if you go in, you will see it's a nice roomy conference room. Got a table there. Electrical outlets if you want to be using a computer, you need to charge your battery. And there's Wi-Fi throughout the courtroom and the courthouse for that matter, so you'll be able to get on the internet if you need to use your computer or your cell phone while you're in the process of talking with your attorney or working out a deal with the opposing party.